Hello, fellow Homo sapiens. Welcome back to Lifers. Here is a true velvet mite. I'm still working on a closer identification to genus and hopefully species. They can be notoriously hard to identify, but I still wanted to share it with the world. So I think they are truly beautiful animals. I'm sure some of you are probably terrified of this, but all life is welcomed on Lifers. All plants, animals, and fungi. I'll make a follow-up video in the future if I get a closer identification. See you next time on Lifers.